Section 7.3, we just talked briefly about least common denominator. We notice that if we're talking about fractions, we notice least common denominator of 1/2 and 2/3. We're just looking for the smallest number that is a common denominator for both. And so we notice that the LCD is equal to 6. And we remember that we'd like to find equivalent rational expressions that have that common denominator. So we notice that 1/2 is 3/6, 2/3 is 4/6. And so we'll make use of that in the next section. So for rational expressions, we have to be a little more careful. If we had least common denominator for 1 divided by x and 1 divided by x plus 1, now that's going to be x times x plus 1. And so now we notice that we have to say that we could rewrite the 1 divided by x as x plus 1 divided by x. X plus 1, we can rewrite the 1 divided by x plus 1 as being x divided by x, x plus 1. So if we had more than one variable, if we had 3 divided by x squared y and 7 plus x divided by xy cubed, we notice that now that's going to be x squared y cubed. So we need the highest power of x that occurs in either denominator. We need the highest power of y that occurs in either denominator. So that gives us x squared y cubed. And so we notice we could rewrite that first one as being 3y squared divided by x squared y cubed, multiply it by y squared divided by y squared. And that second one, we can multiply it by an x. We would get 7 plus x multiplied by x divided by the quantity x squared y cubed.